The Megalodon shark was one of the most powerful and largest predators to ever live on Earth. Megalodon tooth fossils indicate that they grew up to 60 feet long, with teeth wide for snatching prey and breaking bones. And recent evidence actually estimates that they were even up to 90 feet long. The latest Megalodon fossil is from 3.6 million years ago. We have explored less than 20% of our oceans. Many think the Megalodon could still be out there. As recent as 2004, giant species are being filmed for the first time, such as the giant squid seen up to 40 feet long. Come along as we continue to explore the unknown.